Hello, dear student. My name is Dairo Castaneda. And today we are going to see a very important topic, and it is the connection speed. We, we will alone use a spoken language with a continuous sequence, more fluid, and with beat tone. Okay, and let's start. Teaching practice workshop. Connection speed. Connection speed is spoken language that use in continuous sequence. As in normal conversion, it is also called connection discourse. There is often a significant difference between the way words are pronounced in solution in the way they are pronounced in the context of connection speech. For example, words or symbols can be clipped or root together or the structures can change if the important now sound like a robot. What's on better? An apple or an apple? This orange or this orange? This afternoon or this afternoon? Relation of sound in connection speed. When words run together, there is sometimes in the delation of sound of substitute of sound. For example, look at how one becomes one going to becomes gone. Rock and roll becomes rock and roll. These are very informal uses and what can be present in formal written. But what had I have for written and crafting or capturing releasing dialogue. Talent for negative speech. Confusion about many can happen when words run together, especially for negative spoken listening to negative speaking thought. This does a plain use to learning of English. Any learn of a foreign language need listening practice to be able to find out individual words for spoken discourse. For example, in Spanish word in Wolver, we well together when spoken. Take the polyglating of "¿Cómo están? How are you?" which when often can sound like constant, with barely a pause between two words. This pause may be different in the many between English and Spanish. Okay, dear student, evaluation activity. Dear student, may speed and where you can use the example with connection speed and read a correctly and frequently for your classmate. Thank you very much. This is all.